Hi guys. Check my teeth. Hi guys. Today I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. It's been a minute. It's been like almost a week. I've been fasting. I'm still fasting right now. I won't be able to get on YouTube until after 12. So I'm just gonna use a few moments throughout my day to actually get these videos together. Hi guys, hi new family. If you're here, welcome to my channel. Oh, I'm getting so nervous. Welcome to my videos. I have such an amazing haul before you. Let's proceed. And I have 2 DIY videos coming directly after this, so you don't want to miss that. Okay. Notice that they had the Cape Cod potato chips, and then I love kettle cooked chips. So when I seen these, I was like, yes girl, you better get me some. So I got me some. And the original price is, y'all, the original price is $3.29. So at the Dollar Tree, like, we is saving on these bargains. Y'all don't hear me. Y'all don't hear me. And then not only that, it's a part of the non-GMO project. So all healthy ingredients. The only ingredients in here are potatoes, vegetable oil, canola oil, safflower oil, and sunflower and salt. So that's pretty much it. No preservatives, no artificial colors or flavors, all good stuff. So I picked up 2 of these. I should go back and get some more. 2 of the Cape Cod Thins. I love kettle cooked chips. In my last haul, I hauled the exercise equipment, right? And I did not find the jump rope, so I was able to find the jump rope. So here it goes, and of course it had to be pink. So this is the jump rope. And I'm just going to be getting it in, y'all. Yes, getting that thing done. Yes. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to have a fitness video coming soon, probably this weekend. Picked up some panty liners. I always get the 40 count because I wear 2 at a time. Hope that's not too much TMI. I mean, listen, 2018 is the year of keeping it real. Keeping it 100,000% real with y'all. Like, I mean, they have the 20 count, but if you could double up, why not? Because you know they're kind of small. Like, they're kind of small, so I'm just going to double up these things, and it's more bang for your buck. Picked up another pink mirror because I have a DIY coming directly after this, so stay tuned. And it comes with the little travel size one. I'm going to open it really quickly. It's partially open. This is just a compact mirror. And also from the Dollar Tree, I have another video on my channel where you just clip on this LED light. You clip it right here, whichever way you want to do it. If you have problems applying your eyelashes, Dollar Tree eyelash right here. If you really need to see to get up close, you just get up on that thing. There's a light shining right there. It's real close. Come on. Y'all don't hear me. Y'all don't hear me? Ah, so hype. I love the Dollar Tree. Okay, next thing. So yeah, I'm gonna do a DIY on this. Pink is my favorite color. I don't know, like, I don't know. I'm sorry, let me go back. Okay. Guys, right? In my other video, I wanted them to have like some Hello Kitty bags because, as you already know, I did this Princess Tiana mirror. And I wanted to do a Hello Kitty one because, you know, pink is my favorite color, girly girl or whatever. They didn't have the Hello Kitty bags. Yeah, they didn't have the Hello Kitty bags, but they did have some new Hello Kitty stickers that's new to my Dollar Trees that I did not see before. So I picked up 2 of these, and if it comes out really cute, I'm going back and I'm going to get more. I want to make one for my goddaughter. These are some of the Hello Kitty stickers. Stay tuned for my DIY directly after this. So what is it? Yeah, it's just like different Hello Kitties. It's carousel, her with the balloon, flowers, and things like that. And then this little part on the back that you can actually put on the mirror if you want to color it in. But I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to actually use a sticker. So stay tuned for my next video directly after this. So I picked up these stickers, and they're called Sparkle stickers. Ooh, the thing that stood out to me is the Gorgeous, and I believe the Sunday. Yeah, the Sunday in the cup. I really like those stickers. So can you guys see all of those things? Really like the Sunday in the cup. And I really like the Gorgeous too. Love that. And so I picked up 2 of those. Picked up 2 of these types of stickers. And they also have that pop out effect as well. I think the one that I really like are the cupcakes and the ice cream. The donut's cute too. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know it had rhinestones on it. It has like little rhinestones. I did not even notice that in the store. Oh, it's so lit, yo. It's so lit. So I just picked up 2 of these. Picked up some gemstone stickers, and of course it had to be pink. This is the only sheet that they had left. And I believe it was Reap Joy who said she wanted me to do a video review on the LA Colors Correctors. Yeah, Conceal Correct. And I noticed that at my store, these were the only 2 peach ones that were left. So I'm like, this thing might be alright. I don't know if it's going to work for my skin tone. I don't know. But I was like, people were definitely picking up these were the only 2 that was left. The only 2 peach ones. And I think the illuminators too. The illuminators went down too. Everything else is pretty much there but the peach and the illuminators. The highlighters. So this is the, yeah, highlighter. I think this is going to be too white for my skin, too fair for my skin. So my idea is to put it underneath my foundation to see if it actually adds any, you know, specialness. Is that a word? It's a word today. If it adds any specialness to my makeup look, it's a word today, okay? And I'm sorry I cannot taste the snacks on this video because I am fasting right now. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to give you my best judgment because I did try some of them. Boulder Canyon Authentic Food Sea Salt Kettle Cooked Potato Chips. And this is also a part of the non-GMO project. So it comes with 3. And I tried these, and I guess the best way to describe it is on the bland side. It is. But see, I'm the type of person that I can do bland foods. I cannot do overly seasoned anything. If it's too salty, like, I can't stand too. So I'm the type of person, I like hospital food. Like, I like food that I can add my own stuff to it to make it better. But if it's too much of something, I don't like it. Like, it's just too much going on. But these are way more bland compared to these. Okay, so these are the type of chips that you would eat with like sandwiches. You're eating with other things, probably like sandwiches, chicken wings, a hamburger, you know what I mean? Because you have another flavor to like kick these off. But I like these. I pop these in my purse and go. So if I just need a quick little snack, I like the convenience of the little bags. You know what I mean? I like the convenience of the portion size. So that's why I got them. But these definitely have more of a salt taste. So if that makes sense, I definitely will recommend picking up both. I would recommend picking up both. But believe me when I say these are more on the bland side. So don't get these thinking that they really gonna taste like sea salt because you really don't taste it that much. They just taste like, you know, regular potato chips, but they're still good. I like the texture more than anything because they are kettle cooked. Did that make sense? I hope it did. Yay. Another convenient thing that I was talking about, picked up 2 boxes of the 4-pack Grateful on the Go Cheez-Its and white cheddars. I haven't had white cheddar Cheez-Its in years. Like, I used to love these things in middle school. But let's see how small they look and everything. But I just picked up 2 boxes of these. I'm going to open up one real quick. Ooh, I like that it opens like this. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Thumbnail popping or whatever. Let's get that thumbnail, girls. Yes. All right. I'm not going to use that for my thumbnail. I'll just pick it up. All right. So I like this. They are really little. How many calories? 110? No trans fat? Good. So it is kind of small. But it's full. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I cannot stand when, like, the food be all the way down here. I'm gonna need for you to rise up keep rising to the top. Hey, keep rising. I'm gonna need for that thing to rise to the top. Like, I don't like when it's right here, but it is full. It is full. I picked up some of this picante sauce, original by the brand Pace, and I got it in mouth to try it with these chips and things. And then also, Courtney said that she uses this on her eggs. And I love stuff like that on my eggs. So I was like, I need to try that one day, girl. So thanks, Courtney. I'm going to try this on my eggs as well. Put some onions on that thing. Put some spinach on that thing. Yes, God, that's going to be delish. Let me get this Kit Kat out the way really quick. So I was able to find the fruit lotions. And I picked up duplicates, I think, of each one. These things went down so fast. Stay tuned for my next video because I have a video coming up directly after this. Did pick up duplicates and then another set, I believe. I didn't like the way the peach looked. I didn't think it looked like a peach and I didn't want it anyway. I think these are the cuter ones. Oh my goodness. So let's start with it. I went back, I think 2 days later, and they all were gone. It was just the apple one that was left and the pear. This is the lemon. Oh my goodness. So cute. I gotta get a thumbnail popping with these. I'm real funny about what type of lotions and stuff that I rub into my skin, but it does smell good. Let's see if it actually like moisturizes or whatever. Oh, that's a nice scent. Yeah, that is really nice. I like the lemon. Any parabens? I'm sure there's some preservatives in here, but I don't see any parabens, but I'm sure. Yeah, I like that. Get you the lemon. Here's a list of the ingredients. The lemon smells banging. I like that. I really like that. So cute, yo. All of them say shea butter hand cream. The apple, really pretty. Yo! These things smell banging. Dollar Tree lotions be stank. Come on, y'all. Y'all don't hear me. So, them Dollar Tree... Listen, y'all know I love Dollar Tree, but I don't really mess with all of the other... What is it? The April Shower and Bath Body Works? You'll never see me hold them things, okay? Ever. But these smell good, girls and guys. Yeah, I think I still... This, oh, you know what this smells like to me? I put it on my nose by accident. This smells like Now and Laters. Yes, it's giving me, yes, it's definitely giving me Now and Laters. The smell is amazing. Well, I feel Cosby be doing that look. Like, remember he used to do that look on the Cosby Show? It's like a, he be like, I can't do it right now, but I'm sorry, y'all. So cute, yo. Okay. And then it has a little thing right here. Yes. Now this thing won't open because I got all these lotions on for y'all. I got all these lotions on for y'all. Alright, let me try to wipe this off on my skirt. Don't make no sense. Sorry. Okay. Wow, they really smell like the actual fruits. I don't have the peach one, but the apple, lemon, and pear, they actually do smell like the original fruits. Look. Okay, and it's not like, you know, coming out. It's kind of like a thick consistency. And there you have it. That concludes this video, y'all. I'm so sorry if it's so long. I'm sorry, but... I really like my stuff. Y'all don't understand. This is my favorite store. Guys, stay tuned. I love y'all so much. Please get your hands on these fruits. Let me get a thumbnail popping real quick. Get it popping real quick for y'all. Give you a shout out. If you sit and watch my whole, and I mean my whole entire video, you are indeed the real MVP. Yes. I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Bye.